Well, I want to lay down after this. I know that's what I'm going to do. Hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Do y'all sit on here and watch me and say this bitch is pretty? Let me know. Do y'all? Cause I bet y'all eat like I eat. The difference is, y'all don't curl it. We're just eating the edges, y'all, so we actually have to cut around because I really just like the edges of the pancakes. I don't care for the middle. And all that working out be working up me an appetite, so. I don't care. I'm not drinking no water, y'all, because I know if I have one sip of water, I'm not going to want any more. And I've been eating that healthy dry as breakfast all week. I can have me some pancakes on this Saturday. I'm already getting full. That's why I'm not eating nothing. The feeling is reckless and know that Actually, y'all not like pajamas. And plus it's cold in the house and just walking around in a robe, it's like, no. I need some good pajamas. Um, I forgot what I was about to say. I'll be able to eat